This is our 1998 Land Rover Discovery. This is a van, two-door version. There's no back doors in the second row. It's a 5-speed manual with an R380. It has a 3.9 liter fuel-injected V8, custom stainless steel exhaust. We're currently showing about 107,000 miles on this vehicle. We just imported this from the UK. Very clean truck, no rust. Power windows in the front. It has power locks. It has a CD player with custom speakers throughout. Cruise control, it has fog lights. There are some big light bars. It has a snorkel. It has power mirrors, adjustable headlights that go up and down. Super fun to drive. The exhaust sounds pretty nice. It's kind of fun to roll through the gears. Clutch is real nice and tight.